This knife wasn't designed to be a folder. Most folding knives are built to be convenient. This one was built to survive abuse. This design came out of collaboration with military personnel who needed something different. Not just a knife, a tool that could take stress most folders would fail under. But here's where it gets interesting. There's a secondary locking pin and cord system with this knife. This is one of my favorite pocket knives, or favorite folding knives, if you will. And I bought this version way before TikTok came into existence, but it is a Rao inspired design, and it is available on the TikTok shop now. So I want to tell you a little bit about it. The secondary pin and cord system that comes with this knife is designed to protect the user and make the knife more into a fixed blade knife, which is why it's so innovative and cool. So you insert the pin through the larger hole on this side, then you screw it in. And once you screw it in, make sure the pin comes flush with the hole, the receiving hole on the other side. Now you have something that won't collapse under extreme stress. And then the cord system gives you a little lanyard to hold on to. Very, very cool knife. Very thick blade stock. Very strong, durable knife. Look at the steel that's used in the handle. Look at how robust the spine is with the locking mechanism. So you can see the thickness of that. See that come up? The locking bar when I push back on the lock, and then it closes. Yes, you can open it with one hand. It's a little challenging, but again, you're not going to have a big beast of a blade like this. Something that is this innovative, this cool, something that gets everybody talking. When you pull it out, you're not going to have something like that is also super flippy and super, not with this blade stock, super easy to close and collapse. And if you're stronger than I am in your thumbs, maybe you can close it one-handed. You can certainly flip it open. That's easy enough. But the locking system there, the spring behind there, pretty stiff. You have that thick lock bar here that's under tension, and so it takes a little effort to push that back. But yeah, I've always really loved this knife. And it's not just a frame lock. This right here, this secondary locking system, again, turns this into something that behaves a lot closer to a fixed blade. Now let's be clear about something. This is still a folding knife, okay? A reinforced folder even with a locking pin does not make a fixed blade. But when you engage this system, you remove one of the biggest weaknesses folders have. Most folders. The lock failure under pressure. You can see this is very, very secure even without the locking pin. Okay? There's no blade play in this knife whatsoever. With the locking pin, it's even more secure. Zero movement. This is the kind of knife you carry when you don't want to think twice. You're not going to baby this knife. You're not worried about scratching it. You're not wondering if it'll hold up. Use it, abuse it, keep moving. Now I'm going to say something most people won't. This is not a premium collector piece, okay? This is not some $500 steel masterpiece, and that's exactly why I like it. It's big, it's beefy, it does the job. It's a highly innovative design. It's very cool. You can toss this around, use it however you want. This is a working man's version of a legendary design, okay? You get the overbuilt frame. You get the aggressive blade geometry. You get the locking system. You get the presence without worrying about losing half of your paycheck. Here's something else I like about it. Now, I don't want to take the time to put the pin back in, but the little sheath that comes with it is pretty cool as well. So if you have it in a fixed blade state, it's got a retention strap here, and the sheath will allow you to carry it. Got your mole straps here. It will allow you to carry it as a fixed blade. The retention strap goes over the handle and locks into place. And it's got dual button snaps. It's got the dual button snaps on the front, and that is not going anywhere. Okay, so you can put the pin in place. You can carry it like this as a fixed blade. If you need to deploy it quickly, you pull up on these snaps with your thumb and then pull it out. So you can carry it as a fixed blade with the locking pin system put in place, or you can carry it as the folder in the canvas pouch. Now it also comes with a little field sharpening plate. This has the diamond coating. It's certainly not the best sharpener in the world, but it serves its purpose, serves its function, and it's a great value at this price point. Let's be honest again for a second. Half of you don't need a knife like this. You want it because it feels like something serious. And yeah, it is. Let's talk about use cases. This is perfect for EDC rotation. It's perfect for a truck knife. It's perfect for outdoor use. It's perfect for a backup blade. Or just something that looks like it belongs in a deployment kit. And it's one of those knives that people ask about the second you pull it out of your pack. Second you pull it out of your waist, wherever you carry it. This is going to get attention. People are going to ask you about this, and people are going to want one once they handle it. At this price point, you're getting design, function, and presence that punches way above where it should. This should not be this affordable. If you see it available, don't overthink it. Grab it, run it, and decide for yourself. I left a link below.